Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 9 of YaEat or YaEat. I'm really excited to have you here. We had a great week. It was hectic, but it was an awesome week. Got to spend some time with my family. The last week's episode of catering the baby shower was a tremendous hit. So far, a top viewed video. Thank you for watching. If anyone doesn't really know, I don't know if I've actually introduced myself. My name is Dave. I've been cooking since I was about 13 years old. I've been working in the restaurant business since I was about 15 years old. And I went to culinary school when I was about 18 or 19 years old. I worked in the restaurant industry as an executive chef when I was 22, going on 23. And when I was in about probably my late 20s, early 30s, I decided to get out of the restaurant business and went into the technology field. But I love cooking. People love my cooking. So that's why I'm here today. Right now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button. It's right there. Right there. Hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell and make sure you want to receive all our notifications. We notify you once a week. We have an episode every Wednesday. Please subscribe. We need to get to 100 subscriptions so we can customize our YouTube channel name. You could also like or follow us on Facebook. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Let's get cooking. Because of the weather's getting a little chilly, it's fall, and I wanted to make something that, you know, is some comfort food that I'm sure you've had. It's chicken soup, but I do it really quickly, 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll have a chicken soup that tastes like you simmered it for 3 hours. It's a rotisserie chicken soup, and all we do is add a mirepoix and some chicken stock, and we're good. And again, a mirepoix is 2 parts onion, 1 part carrot, 1 part celery, or if you like to pronounce it as the French, it's mirepoix, 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 or mirepoix. Or I like to say mirepoix, it's mirepoix. Whatever, however you pronounce it. It's 2 parts onion, 1 part celery, 1 part carrot, and it's the base vegetable for just about every soup and stock. So we're going to make our rotisserie chicken soup. Are you ready? Here we go.
3 quarts chicken stock, 1 rotisserie chicken, 2 cups chopped onion, 1 cup chopped celery, 1 cup chopped carrot, 1 cup cooked white rice, salt and pepper to taste, 2 bay leaves, 2 ounces of pecorino romano cheese, 2 ounces of loosely chopped parsley, and 4 ounces extra virgin olive oil. I'm sure you've seen plenty of videos on how to cut an onion, and what I want to show you here is that when I went to culinary school, one of the first things they taught us was this really cool way to dice an onion. And for years I practiced this format, and it was cool, but I realized by leaving the core in, because they told us to take the core out, it actually holds the onion together, and it is a much safer method. We'll cut that all the way down to the core. And discard the core. I used 1½ Spanish onion to achieve 2 cups of diced onions. So I got these baby carrots. I like to use them because they're already peeled. And you can buy a small inexpensive bag. I used 5 celery stalk to achieve an 8-ounce cup of chopped celery. If you've watched previous episodes, you know that I like my parsley loosely chopped. Okay, that was the hard work and the most time consuming. We'll add the oil to the pot and we'll start sauteing the vegetables.
Get him! Come on, what's the matter with you? Get him! Pick him up! Can't you catch your little chicken? Huh?
We didn't have to go through all that trouble. We just went to the local supermarket and picked up a rotisserie chicken for under $6. So this chicken is very tender. It will break off very easily. So what I do is I break it off in sections. First I take off the wings, then I take off the leg and thigh, and then the breast. After I remove all the meat from the bone, I start to inspect for smaller bones, and I do this in 3 stages. There's always going to be a bone at the top of each side of the breast. And don't forget about the mirepoix. You got to keep an eye on that, so stir that occasionally. I like to just eat the wing. I wash my hands and get back to work. At this time, I'm also going through some of the well done skin that I'm also going to add to the soup. You can discard the skin if you like. Once your vegetables are ready, you can then add your chicken stock. You're going to add your bay leaf and season with salt and pepper at this time too. It may be a little obsessive, but I do inspect the chicken one last time as I add it to the pot. We'll just give that a stir and bring it to a boil. I only had 2 quarts of chicken stock that came in a box, so I added a 1/3 quart with chicken base and warm water. At the end, we'll add the parsley. You could add cilantro, you could add thyme, rosemary, you could add whatever herb you like. We'll bring that to a boil again. We'll turn it off. We'll add our pecorino romano cheese, and that's it. You're done. And my total cost was $15.65 at a supermarket. It was $3.97 per quart. I added rice, but you could add noodle or add nothing and just have it by itself. It is delicious. To eat? You want to eat? Make this recipe. It's delicious, and it's easy, and it's quick. If you live in the northern New Jersey area and looking to remodel or renovate your kitchen or bathroom or your basement, reach out to Steve over at Carpentry Innovations. If you haven't liked or subscribed to this video yet, what are you waiting for? Now's a good time. Did you know you can hire Chef Dave to cater your personal party? Go to YaEat.tv/contact.